It is a slightly sad day because today the Africa Twin is on a trailer behind my truck, and that means that we're going to be replacing the Africa Twin with something new. So the issue I'm in is that, I'm just not riding on the street enough. This is a really nice bike, and I don't use it. I put under 400 miles on it last summer. Before that, not that much. Total, it's got 3,564 miles, which for 2021, it's not a lot. Yeah. So, it's on the trailer, and we're going to take it to Grand Junction, and we're going to make a little exchange, because I find myself riding a lot of dirt, and I don't need a bike like this, because I'll get to these spots, and then I will say, hey, that single track looks nice, but I wouldn't ride it on this thing, because it's 505 pounds. Every time I've gone up into the mountains, I usually trailer a dirt bike lately, and I just go and sightsee on this thing because it's fast and comfy, but it's really never going to be as comfy as the truck. It's got air-conditioned seats. So I figured, you know what? This gets me to a point where I see stuff that I want to do, and it would be dangerous to do it at my skill level on a bike like this. So why not get something full-blown dirt-oriented? And then when I'm ready, I can get a more dedicated adventure touring bike that is not going to tempt me as much as this thing would. So, like and subscribe. We're going to hit the road in a couple hours with Ariel and Ed, and then we'll see what we pick up. All right. Step that I use. So make sure that you get out of control. Yep. Is it in gear? Yep, it's in gear, but I've got the clutch in. Yeah, but you can get the clutch in. Got it, yep. Alright, we made it to Grand Junction. I got 2 pairs of glasses on my head, and we only lost 1 strap on the Africa Twin. No big deal. Alright, I think there it is. I think this is it. Yeah, 390 RS. Okay. There it is. Yep. Ed's on the channel for the first time. Yeah, everybody waved. We're in the Ducati section. We're not getting a Ducati. That's for sure. Not yet. Not yet. The Desert X's look great. Whew. Very pretty. Multistrada. I don't know. Comment below what Ariel would approve of the least.
Good luck.
Yep. What is this? This isn't a Ducati. I don't know how I feel. I like the Scramblers too. Those are fun bikes. Especially the desert sled over there.
Yeah, they're kind of cool.
Yeah.
I rode the BMW version of them.
You look good on it, Ed. You think would Sherry approve?
I'd have to sell
I can't
both
say.
of my. I'd have to sell
Yeah.
both of my other bikes to afford this.
Paint your house.
Yeah, part of my house.
Yeah. It's almost like we just put it in the back of the truck.
No, it's better on the trailer.
Yeah, okay.
Easier.
Okay.
Exciting stuff.
And we got beta hats.
Like and subscribe right now if you haven't already.
All right, now for food. All right, we are back in the house, and the Beta 390 is in the garage. So here she is. I can't wait to test this thing out. I'm gonna start working on braking miles. Then I'll do a little oil change, and then we're gonna head to Moab. But it's kind of weird not seeing the Africa Twin back there. Very strange. But this thing's gonna be sweet. I'm so excited. This is a true dirt weapon, made in Italy, Beta 390 RRS. We're gonna have fun with it. Definitely gonna get the tail tidy. This thing, I've heard, is going to break off eventually, so we'll definitely take care of that. But didn't realize it's got Maxxis Max Enduro DOT tires, which very interesting. Pretty cool stuff. So, all right. I might go riding with Ed tomorrow, so be the first little light riding we do with this thing, and you get to hear it for the first time. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Battery Voyager. Oh, it's so cool. Okay. Like and subscribe. Short one today, I know, but got a lot to come. See you on the next one. Peace.